Now let's take up the next question from the same concept, that is the preparation of haloalkanes from alcohols, from the chapter of haloalkanes and haloarenes. Now let's look into the question. Which of the following alcohols will yield the corresponding alkyl chloride on reaction with concentrated HCl at room temperature? So of the four choice given to us, which are all alcohols, which of them will yield an alkyl chloride when treated with concentrated HCl at room temperature? This is the condition given to us. In general, if you look at it, all of them will yield. But what is the condition here? At room temperature. That means without heating. Without heating, which one of them will give us the respective alkyl chloride is the question. Now let us first write down the name and then identify which type of alcohol it is. Then we can arrive at the answer. So now this 1, 2, 3. The name of this compound will be propanol. The name of this compound will be propanol, and it is a primary alcohol. It's a primary alcohol. The OH attached to the carbon atom is a primary carbon atom because it is in turn in connection with just one other carbon atom. Now let's name this. We had a similar compound in the last case also. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2-butanol or butan 2-ol or 2-hydroxy-butane. All of them are correct IUPAC name of this compound, and this is a secondary alcohol. This carbon atom is a secondary carbon atom. Now let's see this. Just because there is a branch, don't you be under the impression that this will be a secondary alcohol. No, just look at the position where the OH is linked. So now 1, 2, 3 and 4. The name of this compound will be 2-methyl butanol or butan 1-ol or simply butanol. 2-methyl, 4 carbon atoms saturated and OH is linked. So 2-methyl butanol. So what type of alcohol is this? This is a primary alcohol. There is a branch, no doubt, but OH is attached to a primary carbon atom. So therefore it is a primary alcohol. Now let's look into this. Let's give the locant. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So now you have, for the second carbon atom, methyl is also attached and OH is also attached. So let us write the name of this compound. 2-methyl 2-butanol. 2-methyl 2-butanol, because 4 carbon atoms saturated and OH is attached to the second carbon atom. One more way that you can write the name is 2-hydroxy-2-methyl butane. That's also correct IUPAC name. Now let's identify which type of alcohol is this. This is definitely a tertiary alcohol because OH is attached to a tertiary carbon atom. You can see that this carbon atom is in link with 3 other carbon atom. So it's a tertiary carbon atom. Again, the order of reactivity that we had observed in the last case, the same way, tertiary alcohol is greatly reactive than secondary alcohol, greatly reactive than primary alcohol. Tertiary alcohol will undergo the reaction readily at room temperature. That is the point of focus. Tertiary alcohol will undergo reaction with the concentrated HCl at room temperature readily, resulting in the formation of the respective alkyl chloride. So answer will be, in this case, answer will be option 4. Answer will be option 4, which is a tertiary alcohol. And if when it is undergoing reaction with concentrated HCl, what is the product you will be getting? You will be, instead of OH, Cl will take up this place. So now that's a simple nucleophilic substitution reaction going to be happening. So now What will be the name of the compound after Cl gets attached to this? The name of that compound will be 2-chloro-2-methyl-butane. 2-chloro-2-methyl-butane. Hope you understood this, and for more updates and more learning, keep watching all of the episodes for the complete benefit and for the complete understanding. I wish you all the best.